All right, you're welcome to today's edition of Highlife Guitar Lessons. I promised you of bringing you a Highlife Guitar Worship episode 2. Today, I have with me Senior King. King, I have here with me a professional keyboardist, and we are going to do a kind of worship. In the previous lesson, we said that in playing worship, you don't just play whatever. Don't just talk too much. We are going to add the elements of music and the harmony, the balance, and so on, so that it becomes what perfect to bring the Spirit of God in this worship song. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Let's begin today's lesson. We are doing this at F. We are doing this at F. So follow us. Okay. We are doing, it brings the Spirit of God in the song. We are not just making noise, we are bringing the harmony, the balance. I play some notes very high and then he responds. This is what I have been always talking about. So as a lead guitarist, as a keyboardist, don't just open the volume of your keyboard or the guitar playing nothing. You need to work together as a team. So if you are in a team, you have to work together. And the can you say you one only as a bossy keyboardist and I say keyboardist, a teamwork. So work with a team. So what we are doing it at F. You can see that though we have not played much, but you can feel the Spirit of God in the song. Okay, let's do it once again. Very much tight with this kind of song. So what I'm telling you is, as a guitarist, play from your heart, not from your mind. Don't just plan do re mi. No, I'm not for guys. Hey, unimbo, akwano unimbo. Play from your heart because you are in the church. Be in the worship. Enjoy the worship. Take part in the worship song and take part in the prayers that is going on. it is going to be our habit that instrumentals they do worship preaching no, gone are the days. So my dear beginners and the intermediate players, I think this is what I can offer you. I'm just giving you a clue on how to go about your worship playing in your various churches. The last time I told you that in playing worship, as a lead guitarist, you don't need to go for the chords because it is the work of the keyboardist. You have to just bring all the embellishments. Keyboardist sorry, is it correct word? If you are working together, keyboardist, because it is a teamwork you are doing. Whatever you play, the keyboard responds, and then bring the chord, then you are through. You can see that the spirit of God in the church will be much, much, much higher. So, my dear guitar players and keyboardists, this is what we can offer you today. Today is not a lesson. We are not going to teach you the play do, play re, play me. But if you want to learn this, just try and learn this. This lick the SMS. Sorry with the SMS. I just played this. The boss animal with me bought tola more re me tabo pa. I thought I be so. I'm about do ti fa mi. And also fa do ti fa mi. And I said so. I depended progression na your one. You move be a bit for be as a normally see a bit kusua. Say, if the progression is going to the soul, then you can do this simply. Tola more. And then the last time I also taught you this. I just gave it to you in episode 1. So, and then one thing is, you can see that the effect board is doing a lot. It is helping a lot. The delay. I am playing clean guitar, but I have added a delay. So if you have a combo that can give a delay, just put it in when playing the worship. Someone asked the last time that how can you tune your combo to get a nice tune? You will do that lesson later on. But if you have an effect board, set it to clean, remove the reverb, and then just add a delay during worship, and then you are through. That's what Edameko has been using. Effect board, that's what he has been using. So, beloved, we end here for today's lesson. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification so that you'll be notified anytime we record a video. This is Senior Solo. God bless you, Senior Solo. Our next video we will do a praises. I'll bring him and then we will add the rhythm. Then we play praises. We sing and play the praises so that you see that whatever you have learned will not go to waste. So thank you for watching us.